So here are the 5 best tablets you can get this year. That these tablets are released between 2024 and 2025, and their price range is between $150 to $500. On this ranking, we are using performance, battery life, display quality, storage options, operating system, and the camera specification. So if you are new to my channel, this is AB Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and kindly comment the tablet you think is the best, that is within the range of $150 to $500. Now, among these 5 best tablets, the one that came number 5 is the Amazon Fire Max 11. It was released in June 2024 and the price starts from $229. So it has an octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM. So the battery is up to 14 hours of battery life, and the display is 11 inches 2000 by 1200 resolution display, and the storage for this tablet is just 64 GB of RAM, and we also have the one of 128 GB of RAM, and you can also expand it using your micro SD card. So the operating system is based on Android Fire OS, and the cameras, both the front and the rear camera, are 8 megapixel of camera. So that is the number 5 tablet. Then the number 4 tablet is the Oppo Pad Neo, and this was released in January 2024, and the price starts from $249, and the performance is MediaTek chipset, while the processor is up to 8 GB of RAM. The battery is 8000 milliamp hours of battery, that's 3 watts wired charging, and the display is 11.4 inches IPS LCD with 2400 by 1720 resolution, and it also comes with 90 Hz refresh rate, and the storage capacity is just 128 GB of RAM, and you can also expand it. Now the operating system is on ColorOS 13.2 and is based on Android 13. So both the selfie and the rear camera are 8 megapixel lens. Now the 3rd best tablet you will get in the market as of 2025 is the Redmi Pad Pro, and it was released in 2024, and the price is from $299, and is powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor with up to 8 GB of RAM, and the battery capacity is 10,000 milliamp hours of battery with 33 watt fast charging, and the display is 12.1 inches IPS LCD with 2600 by 1600 resolution. It also comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, and the storage capacity is 128 GB of RAM, or you can also extend it to 256 GB. And the operating system, it operates on Android 13 with the rear and front camera being 8 megapixel sensor. So the 2nd best tablet we get in 2025 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Okay, this was released in October 2024, and the price is $499, so very close to $500. It's being powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor with 12 GB of RAM, and is offering high-end performance. Comes with a whopping battery of 10,090 milliamp hours of battery with 45 wired fast charging, and the display is 12.4 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 2800 by 1702 resolution, and it also comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, while the storage is 256 GB or 512 GB of RAM, and you can also expand it with your micro SD. Then the operating system is Android 14 with One UI 6, and this is one of the best tablets that you can get that is below $500. Can you guess the number 1 tablet? If you know it, kindly comment it on the comment section even before you watch it. So based on our own research and reviews, the number 1 tablet that is below $500 in 2025 is OnePlus Pad 2. Yes, OnePlus Part 2 was released since July 2024 and the price is $499. Okay, is equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the battery is 9510 milliamp hours of battery with 67 watts fast charging, and the display is 12.1 inches IPS LCD with 3000 by 2120 resolution, and surprisingly it came with 144 Hz refresh rate. So this is one of the best tablets you can get now that is below $500, and it also comes with 256 gigabytes of RAM storage, and the operating system is Android 14, while the front camera is 8 megapixel, then the back camera is 13 megapixel sensor, which is wonderful. There is no tablet that is within that range that can give you this camera quality. So that is all we have for you on today's video, and don't worry, we'll also be dropping the video for the best tablet that is between $500 to $1,000, so that when you are making that purchase you make the right choice. See you in my next video. Peace out.